हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू दी Caddx। आज हम स्टार्ट करेंगे दिस टाइप्स ऑफ मॉडल, जो कुछ हमारा इस तरह से शो हो रहा है। चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। गो टू फाइल्स, न्यू, पार्ट, सिलेक्ट टॉप प्लेन, स्केच, select circle, draw two circle, dimension is 29 and another is 46. Okay, go to features, extrude to 20 mm. Okay, again select top plane, sketch, go to convert entities, select outer edges. Okay, select center line, draw center line, select circle, dimension is 18 mm, 5 mm distance from the center, and distance between two is 38. Okay, select line, draw line, and make sure this tangent to the circle. Okay, and also this. Okay, draw line, line dimension is 16 mm. Select 3-point arc, author horizontal, 6.50 mm. Select again 3-point arc, and again 3-point arc. Select line, dimension 30 mm, and this is 10 mm. This and this horizontal align. This dimension is 20 mm. Okay, both are tangent and also tangent. Select line, select this is 23 mm. Draw line again, and this is 41, and angle is 120 mm perpendicular. and 79 minus 23. Okay, trim extra line and this, this, this. Select circle, draw circle, which is 6 mm, line, this and this, perpendicular to each other, and this line and this line perpendicular to each other. Distance between this is 10 mm and also 10 mm. Trim extra line, go to linear pattern, this, 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 again go to linear pattern, this, this. Change the direction, 10 and 3. Okay, trim extra line, delete, go to features, extrude body up to 10 mm. Okay, select face, sketch, circle, and dimension is 18 mm. Features, extrude 2 mm. Okay, select face, sketch, select circle, and 9 mm and 47 mm. Select line, first select convert entities, draw, select outer edge. Okay, select line, tangent to each other, and this line and this circle tangent to each other. Select line and this line, center line, and angle between this line and center line 42 mm. Extend line, trim extra line, Okay, this line and this circle, tangent, control, trim extra line, extrude, 5 mm. Okay, select face, sketch, draw circle, extrude, 2 mm. Okay, select face again, sketch, 11 mm. Okay, extrude cut up to select surface. Okay, select this face, sketch, 6 mm. Okay, extrude cut, select surface. Okay, select chamfer, mm. 1 mm. Okay, again select chamfer, select edge, point 0.5 mm. Okay, flit, 10 mm. Okay, assign the material, plain carbon steel, plain white, select this face, this face, this face, this face, this face, this, red, this face, yellow high, select chamfer, this is our model. थैंक यू फ्रेंड्स। अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो वीडियो को लाइक करें, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और वीडियो को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें। थैंक यू।